Every year, China raises 500 million quails and produces over 50 billion eggs, more than half the world's total. But how do they do it so efficiently? From high-tech egg belts to smart feeding systems, this video reveals the secrets behind China's massive quail egg empire. And wait, salted quail eggs? That's a thing? Stick around to see how they're made, why they're so popular, and how these tiny birds are driving a multi-billion-dollar industry. And that's not all. We'll take you behind the scenes of China's silk empire too. Ready to see how precision meets tradition in two of the world's most delicate products? Hatching the future, China's quail farms start with female quails ready to lay eggs for life. As soon as they're laid, the eggs roll gently onto moving belts designed to prevent cracks. These belts take the eggs straight to the inspection area. Only perfect eggs make the cut. Those with cracks or deformities are paused. The good ones go into incubators set at 37.5 degrees Celsius, the ideal temperature for new life to form. After about 17 days, tiny quails hatch and are quickly sorted by gender. This early care ensures that every chick gets what it needs to grow strong. Smart feeding and daily care. Baby quails eat a special high-protein mix made of corn, soybeans, wheat, and grains. Feeding happens up to 4 times a day using automatic systems. These feeders make sure every quail gets food evenly. Clean water is always available, and the cages stay spotless. Health checks are constant to catch sickness early. With such detailed care, quails grow fast and strong, ready for either egg laying or meat production. China also buys around 30 billion quail eggs yearly from farmers, keeping supplies stable across local and global markets. Clean, inspect, repeat. Eggs move to processing plants, where they get washed to remove dirt and bacteria. Even with machines, humans still check each egg for quality. No room for mistakes here. Only the best make it to the packaging. Inside the incubator room, once the eggs are loaded into incubators, everything is controlled to perfection. The temperature stays near 37.5 degrees Celsius. Humidity levels are closely monitored. These machines mimic the conditions under a mother quail. Inside, the embryos start forming. After 17 days, the tiny quail chicks start pecking their way out of the shells. Once out, they dry off and fluff up. Staff quickly move them to warm brooding rooms to keep them safe during their most sensitive stage. Sorting and early growth. After hatching, workers sort the chicks by gender using a method called vent inspection. It's quick and needs trained hands. Female chicks go into rearing units built for future egg layers. The males either grow for meat or are sold. At this stage, chicks get soft bedding, steady heat, and access to chick-friendly feed that's full of protein. Their bodies grow fast, and their feathers come in strong. Egg laying at scale. Once females mature, usually around 6 weeks, they move into specialized egg-laying cages. These are built to make collecting eggs easy and safe. As soon as a quail lays an egg, it gently rolls forward onto a padded belt. These belts carry hundreds of eggs an hour without cracking them. Lighting in the barns mimics natural cycles to boost egg laying. With the right food, light, and comfort, each bird can lay over 250 eggs a year. Multiply that by millions of birds, and you get a non-stop flow of eggs every single day.